primary tumors for prostate cancer can be treated very effectively. However, when that cancer becomes metastatic, it becomes incurable. So I study poly-aneuploid cancer cells. We see these cells that are not killed in the primary tumor when treated with chemotherapy and radiation, and they also have higher resistance to chemotherapy and radiation. We believe that these cells are the cells that are able to leave the tumor, enter the bloodstream, and repopulate and generate different mets. We believe this because they have these higher levels of genomic content, enabling them to be able to better adapt to any different environment. It was really important to me because Donald Coffey was Ken, my PI's mentor, and Ken looks up to Donald Coffey as well as the rest of the urology department. Don Coffey had a huge influence here at Hopkins, and being able to receive an award named after him is just an honor in itself. So when we first learned that we had to transition to working from home, Ken was very supportive, so were the rest of the lab members. We were all very understanding of the situation. So I think I only actually worked from home and didn't leave my house for about 2 weeks before Ken volunteered and teamed up with Liz Jaffe and decided that our lab could participate in helping making the COVID test kits for the hospital. It was very interesting because we had about 4 to 5 hours every day together, so we got to talk, we got to learn about each other's research, and one of the postdocs from one of the other labs actually sent me some really interesting papers that I'm actually going to be looking through and potentially taking techniques from for future lab work that I'm doing. I originally got involved with PSOC because I was awarded the Nanotechnology for Cancer Research T32 Fellowship, which is in the Institute for NanoBioTechnology at Hopkins. So through that, I was able to meet a lot of different scientists in the program, and a lot of them are engineering PhDs, while I'm more of a cell biologist myself. I also got into the program because my mentor, Ken, is very involved with the entire program. So it's been a really interesting experience for me, meeting different scientists and learning different ways that we all seem to study and target cancer. I just like to emphasize that collaboration and communication between different disciplines of science is really important to me because it allows you to really broaden your mind to what the possibilities are for your own research.